In this very short video, I just wanted to show you how to answer a question that makes use of the interactive 3D structure viewer. So I'm looking at homework number 3, which is related to conformers, and I'm on question number 2. We have here an energy plot, and we're asked to construct the conformer of butane that corresponds to letter D. Now you can see that letter D is high energy, so in fact the highest energy. So of course this would be the completely eclipsed form of butane. So now I'm just going to scroll down so we can look at the rest of the problem, or at least where we're going to be drawing. So right now we have methane. What we want to do is actually construct butane. So the idea here is I'm going to click on the carbon, and then I'm going to click on a hydrogen to extend the chain. So I click on the hydrogen. Now I have 2 carbons. Click on another hydrogen. I have 3 carbons. Click on another hydrogen. Now I have 4 carbons. So now I have butane. To manipulate the model, there are 2 buttons here that will be useful. So this kind of double cross, when I click on that, it gives me various options. So right now, it's just kind of translating the molecules. That's translating. If I click on the screen again, I can rotate the molecule. And then if I click again, I'll be dragging an atom, which I don't really want to do here. So if I look down, carbons 2 to 3. So I want to rotate the molecule. I have to click again, I think. There, I'm going to rotate. I'm going to look down carbons 2 to 3. You can see that, in fact, everything is staggered. And in fact, the methyl groups on the 2 ends of butane are anti to one another. What I want them to be is completely eclipsed. So now I'm going to take this point of view and click on this rotate button. So I click on the rotate button, then I click on the bond I want to rotate. So I click there, and then I'm going to grab this methyl group and rotate the structure. There are many online 3D viewers, but as far as I know, openOchem is the only one that allows you to actually manipulate the structure in this way. Now, I don't know if I've been successful in making the perfectly eclipsed structure, the high energy perfectly eclipsed structure. So once again, I'm going to click on this double cross and rotate. And I say, oh, I'm a little off actually. Okay, so I come back here and then click on this bond again. And I want to rotate. So just try to make it more aligned up. So there's a little bit of guesswork, but I think that's looking pretty good. And then come back here and rotate. Ooh, I'm bang on. That looks pretty good. So I think if I check, indeed I have drawn the correct structure. What is the correct structure? Well, it's the high energy eclipse structure that corresponds to D in this graph. I hope this short video has helped you see how to use the 3D viewer. There will be a couple of questions that make use of this, not only in chains, but also ring structures. Of course, if you're having any trouble, please let me know.